Dry needling, or functional dry needling, as they call it through the certification that I received, is just a tool that we use to treat body structures and areas, systems, to kind of relieve pain, restore range of motion, restore normal movement, and to restore function. So acupuncture follows more Eastern medicine. It uses patterns involving the tongue, the ear, the foot, whereas dry needling actually follows neuroanatomical patterns, in that we treat specific patterns, whether muscular or neurological, within the body. The needle itself is a solid needle. It's not hollow. There's no medication delivery. It is a stainless surgical steel that's lubricated in a biologic. We want to reset the system. Wherever dysfunction is, wherever pain is, we use the needle to kind of clear that out, clear out the problem areas. It's often used to treat these areas that are called trigger points, where you develop excess tension, excess pain, just really tender spots within a muscle belly itself. Once we reset that, we kind of release some of these tight banded areas. We help to bring in, it helps to bring in healthy blood flow. And then once we have that going, then we begin to restore range of motion, restore strength, restore function. Dry needling isn't used for anything acutely. So like an acute injury where you were just out and you're running, you sprained your ankle, or you're just immediately post-surgical, those aren't necessarily times that we're going to use the needle. It's more for more chronic type conditions like chronic pain. It's more for long-standing problems, or further out through the healing process. Usually about 12 weeks after injury or surgery is like a good time to really begin to consider using the dry needle. And it's used for various patient population. We can use it for cervical and head and neck type issues. We can use it for shoulder, elbow, wrist, hand type problems, hip, pelvic, lower extremity, all the way down to the foot. I mean, there's various application processes, and the low back. The low back is, that's a big problem that a lot of people face, and it's a great tool to utilize in the treatment of the low back as well.